bạnជំរាបសួរសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ My Slow ខ្មែរ Podcast បាទខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយអូខេថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងរៀនអំពីថ្ងៃនៅក្នុងអាទិត្យ So today we are going to learn days of the week in Khmer, okay? And at the end of this, slow podcast, you will be able to say or knows the names of the days of the week in Khmer, okay? បាទអញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃច័ន្ទថ្ងៃអង្គារថ្ងៃពុធថ្ងៃប្រហ័សថ្ងៃសុក្រថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ថ្ងៃអាទិត្យអូខេបាទម្ដងទៀតថ្ងៃច័ន្ទ which is Monday ថ្ងៃអាទិត្យសុំទោសថ្ងៃអង្គារ which is Tuesday ថ្ងៃពុធ which is Wednesday ថ្ងៃប្រហ័ស which is Thursday ថ្ងៃសុក្រ which is Friday ថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ which is Saturday ថ្ងៃអាទិត្យ which is Sunday. Okay, and then you should learn also yesterday in Khmer we say Masalman. Today ថ្ងៃនេះ tomorrow ថ្ងៃស្អែក and then the word weekend is ចុងអាទិត្យ or the other way we say ចុងសប្តាហ៍ and then you should know the word month in Khmer we say ខែ year in Khmer we say ឆ្នាំ and the word last in Khmer we say mun like last week we say អាទិត្យមុន How about next in Khmer we say ក្រោយ so next week we would say in Khmer អាទិត្យក្រោយ or សប្តាហ៍ក្រោយ so let's learn a phrase together. See you next week in Khmer we say ជួបគ្នាអាទិត្យក្រោយ Okay អរគុណច្រើន I hope this short video will help you with your days of the week in Khmer. Okay, so លាហើយជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយ